Dear Dr. Kenneth Kaunda, you have never heard about me, but now you are hearing about me. We have never met, but social media has connected me and you. You'll wonder why I knew about you, but Africans met me know you. Football legends are mostly given the status when they have retired in football. African heroes are honored when they are no more. I don't have a present for your birthday, but my poetry is priceless and worth a huge belated birthday present. You honored your father and your mother, that's why you are still alive today. God has a reason why He is keeping you alive on earth. Happy and healthy belated birthday, Kenneth Kaunda. Plus, long live my African Pan-Africanist. You are an African light, an African pop-up, a Zambian legend, a political veteran, an African icon, an African stalwart, an African king, a Christian, a hero, a statesman, an ambassador of Ubuntu, a selfless leader, a unifier, an African peace negotiator, an African guru, a guitarist, a musician, a socialite, an African father, Father Africa. Happy belated birthday, Kaunda. A son of a missionary, where you milked and learned being visionary. You were Christian born and raised spiritually. Your heavenly God was your light and fought for you. A son of a teacher who was a teacher by profession, where you learned how to properly plan, implement, explore, improve and be patient. A Lupwa graduate who felt more pain when a neighbor was suffering. South African apartheid stirred up your hunger for the liberations of Africans from white oppressors. A military reject by cowards because they said you had an unbearable character. They wanted only those who could be brainwashed and dance their music. An anti-colonial freedom struggle fighter. You were thrown out of restaurants on several occasions because of your ideology. You were arrested because of your African mission. You taught Africans to be brave and soldier on even under tense and immense situations. You engaged into a successful non-violent campaign against the white-dominated Federation of Rhodesian and Nyasaland. A bicycle rider, winning against vicious fiat oppressors driving expensive and luxurious cars, using a guitar, singing freedom songs, fighting those carrying guns. You symbolized peace and harmony. You won elections and became the first Zambian black democratic leader. You facilitated your neighbors' independence. That led to Africa giving birth to Zimbabwe and South Africa. Happy belated birthday, Kenneth Kaunda. Your leadership brought change to Africa and Zambians. Your humanism made you a hero, teaching of loyalty and patriotism, non-exploitation of men by men, preservation of human dignity, restoring their legacy, respecting, keeping and taking an extra care of old person. Happy and healthy belated birthday, Kenneth. May your gracious Lord abundantly bless you, Kaunda. Caring, calm, KK. Every day is a birthday for an iconic gallant son of the soil. We celebrate your life daily. We celebrate your birthday daily. You mature with age like fine wine. We need your wisdom, Kenneth. We need your wisdom, Kaunda. We need your wisdom, Kenneth Kaunda. Kukome na buzwa bakuyalwa. Kusekela ubushiku bafyele. Siku labwino lobadwa. Sangalani ni siku limene munobadwa. Tukondeola siku lobadwa. Tiende pamozi ni mtima umom. Tiende pamozi ni mtima umom. We need your wisdom. We need your guidance. You are our shelter. You are our shade. You are the face of Africa. You are the African face. Long live Kenneth. Long live Kaunda. Long live Kenneth Kaunda. Long live Dr. Kenneth Kaunda. Long live KK. Long live Kenneth. Long live Kaunda. I am Obert Dube, the African poet.